Once you've decided which attorney to hire, you will usually reach a fee and retainer agreement with the attorney. The retainer is like a deposit, a reserve to cover the attorney's fees for a month or so, and you and the attorney will work out the retainer amount. You will also sign a contract setting out the terms of the attorney's representation of you in your divorce action. How much will the divorce cost? Well, in answer to that question, it's, according to LegalZoom, approximately $15,000 to $30,000 depending upon which state you live in and its cost of living, and depending upon the complexity and difficulty of a particular case. I think LegalZoom's numbers are unfortunately a little too low, even for Utah where the cost of living is comparatively low. My guess is that LegalZoom is including in its statistics not only the cost of contested cases, but the cost of cases that settle before ever going to trial. I place the cost of a contested divorce case, as opposed to an uncontested case, one that goes to trial, somewhere between $30,000 and $50,000. But don't think for a minute that every single case will cost between $30,000 to $50,000. Some cases are resolved by a quick settlement for as little as just a few $100s, and some divorces cost millions of dollars before they are done. And remember, just because the average divorce may cost a certain amount of money, that does not mean that your divorce will be an average divorce. The best way to keep costs down in a divorce is to use your time wisely, to prepare as best you can, be engaged in the divorce process from start to finish, educate yourself as to what your realistic expectations should be in divorce, and keep in mind how much money you might save in litigation costs by settling the case, even if the settlement itself does not result in a pure and perfectly equal division of marital assets and liabilities.